Okay, I'm not sure what the due date out for 729 is. She's confiscated. She should be on a 14-day hold. They have, she came in on the 5th. They have her on a, like, 24-day hold. Come on, Mom! Baby girl! She's already sick. She's been here since the 5th. Oh, it's okay, Mom. Yes. I wonder why she was confiscated. Why were you confiscated, Mom? Let's see. Oh, no notes. No notes. Picklebite! Picklebite! Mama, can you sit? Mama, sit! Come on, sit! Sit, Mom! Sit! Good girl, sit! Alright! Good girl. Come here, can you come down here and see Auntie? Come on! Come here! Come down here and see! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Hi, good girl! Oh, let me see if I can get that tick. Come on, let's see. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here. Let me get your tick. Come on. Come on. Girl. Come here. Okay, I'm going to cut off the camera and try to get her tick. Because it's just yucky. Oh, Mom, yes, it's yucky. Bye, Beba.